Cherries are low in calories and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A 1 cup serving of cherries, about 21 cherries, contains approximately 90 calories and provides vitamin C. Cherries are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Fiber. Cherries contain dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Potassium. Potassium is essential for maintaining proper heart function and regulating blood pressure, and cherries are a natural source of this mineral. Antioxidants. Cherries are packed with various antioxidants, including anthocyanins, quercetin, and catechins, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals.